Hi guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and I had a customer email me this week asking me to show them how to wire wrap a pendant when it is drilled from the front to the back. So this is a beautiful porcelain jasper pendant. It's flat on the back and puffed on the front, and I'm going to show you how to wire wrap it. So today I'm using a 20 gauge brass wire. You can use a brass wire, you can use stainless steel, you can use sterling, whatever you'd like. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is string my pendant onto my wire, and then I'm going to push both sides of the wire up so that they crisscross at the top of the pendant. And then I'm going to use my round nose pliers and take one of those and push it straight up. And then I can hold this right here with my hands, and I can take this wire and coil it around 2 to 3 times, whichever you prefer, just like that. And then I'm going to take my cutters and cut off the excess wire. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and put them at the top of that coil and bend the wire away so that it's at a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to take my pliers and wrap it around, creating a little loop. And then I'm going to hold my loop right here. And I'm going to coil this wire back around until it meets the wire below it. And then I'm going to cut off my excess wire. And that's all it takes to wire wrap a top drilled pendant that's drilled from the front to the back. Thanks so much for watching.